Welcome to our guide on the 7 best essential oils for men, where we explore their health benefits and practical uses. Essential oils have gained popularity for their therapeutic properties, ranging from relaxation to skincare and beyond. Finding the right essential oil can enhance your well-being and elevate your daily routine. Let's dive into our top picks to discover how these oils can benefit you. Number 1. Essential Oils by PURA AROMA 100% Pure Oils Kit. The Essential Oils by PURA AROMA 100% Pure Oils Kit offers a comprehensive selection of essential oils known for their purity and quality. This set includes a range of popular oils such as lavender, peppermint, and tea tree, each renowned for its unique benefits. The oils are extracted through steam distillation or cold pressing, ensuring they retain their natural properties and therapeutic benefits. Quality is paramount with PURA AROMA oils, as they are sourced from the finest botanicals and undergo rigorous testing to ensure purity and potency. The oils are free from additives and fillers, making them safe for topical use when diluted properly. They come in dark amber bottles to protect against UV light and preserve their freshness. Usability is convenient with the included dropper caps, allowing for precise measurement and application. Whether used in aromatherapy, massage oils, or homemade skincare products, these oils offer versatility and effectiveness. Durability is assured with the sturdy packaging and secure sealing of each bottle, preventing leakage and preserving the oil's shelf life. The PURA AROMA 100% Pure Oils Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the benefits of essential oils with a trusted and versatile set.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Lagunamoon Essential Oil Set Top 6. The Lagunamoon Essential Oil Set Top 6 is a popular choice for those new to essential oils or looking to expand their collection with high-quality options. This set includes 6 essential oils: lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemongrass, and sweet orange, each chosen for its therapeutic benefits and pleasant aroma. Quality is a priority with the Lagunamoon oils, which are 100% pure and natural. They are extracted through steam distillation or cold pressing from premium botanical sources, ensuring they retain their beneficial properties without additives or synthetic fragrances. The oils are packaged in dark amber bottles to protect against UV light and maintain their potency. Usability is straightforward, with the oils versatile enough for use in aromatherapy, massage, skincare, and household cleaning. The set comes with a user-friendly guidebook detailing the benefits and uses of each oil, making it accessible for beginners and seasoned users alike. Durability is enhanced by the robust packaging, which prevents leaks and extends shelf life. The Lagunamoon Essential Oil Set Top 6 is an affordable yet effective option for those seeking the benefits of essential oils for relaxation, health, and wellness. Number 3. Cliganic Organic Essential Oil Set. The Cliganic Organic Essential Oils Set stands out for its commitment to organic purity and quality. This set includes 6 essential oils: lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemongrass, and orange, all certified organic by USDA standards. These oils are extracted through steam distillation or cold pressing from organically grown botanicals, ensuring they are free from pesticides and synthetic chemicals. Quality is guaranteed with Cliganic oils, which undergo third-party testing to verify their organic status and purity. The oils are 100% pure and natural, with no additives or fillers, making them safe for use in aromatherapy, massage therapy, and skincare routines. They are packaged in amber glass bottles to protect against UV light and preserve their potency. Usability is versatile, as each oil offers unique therapeutic benefits. Lavender promotes relaxation and sleep, while peppermint provides a refreshing boost of energy. The set includes a dropper cap for precise application, allowing users to enjoy the oil's benefits with ease. Durability is ensured by the secure packaging, which prevents leaks and maintains the oil's freshness over time. Customers appreciate the Cliganic Organic Essential Oils set for its organic certification and effectiveness in promoting overall well-being. Number 4. ASAKUKI Essential Oils Set. The ASAKUKI Essential Oils set offers a diverse selection of essential oils designed to enhance relaxation, mood, and overall wellness. This set includes popular oils such as lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemongrass, and sweet orange, each chosen for its therapeutic properties and aromatic appeal. Quality is a hallmark of ASAKUKI oils, which are 100% pure and natural. They are extracted using steam distillation or cold pressing methods from high-quality botanicals, ensuring they retain their beneficial properties without additives or fillers. Usability is versatile, with the oils suitable for use in aromatherapy, massage therapy, skincare, and home cleaning solutions. Each oil comes with a dropper cap for precise application, allowing users to customize their experience and enjoy the oil's therapeutic benefits. Number 5. ASAKUKI. This set includes lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemongrass, and sweet orange oils, each chosen for its unique properties and aromatic profile. Quality is a priority with MISIJI oils, which are 100% pure and natural. They are extracted through steam distillation or cold pressing from premium botanical sources, ensuring they retain their natural properties without additives or synthetic fragrances. The oils are packaged in amber glass bottles to protect against UV light and maintain their potency. Usability is straightforward, with the oils suitable for aromatherapy, massage, skincare, and household cleaning. Each bottle comes with a dropper cap for precise dispensing, allowing users to enjoy the oil's benefits with ease. Durability is ensured by the robust packaging, which prevents leaks and extends the shelf life of the oils. The MISIJI Essential Oils Set Top 6 is an excellent choice for those looking to explore the benefits of essential oils in their daily routine, offering quality and effectiveness at an affordable price. Number 6. Olinia Essential Oils 6 Blend Set. The Olinia Essential Oils 6 Blend Set offers a unique collection of essential oil blends designed to target specific wellness needs. This set includes blends such as relaxation, breathe, immunity, sleep, refresh, and destress, each formulated to promote relaxation, boost immunity, or improve overall well-being. Quality is a priority with Olinia oils, which are 100% pure and natural. The blends are carefully crafted from premium botanicals using steam distillation or cold pressing methods, ensuring they maintain their therapeutic benefits without additives or synthetic fragrances. The oils are packaged in dark amber bottles to protect against UV light and preserve their potency. Usability is convenient, with each blend ready to use in aromatherapy, massage therapy, or as a natural remedy for common ailments. The set includes a dropper cap for precise application, allowing users to tailor their experience to their specific needs. Durability is enhanced by the sturdy packaging, which prevents leakage and extends the shelf life of the blends. The Olinia Essential Oils 6 Blend Set is a popular choice for those seeking targeted wellness solutions with the convenience of pre-blended oils. Number 7. PURA Organic Perfect 10 Essential Oils Set. The PURA Organic Perfect 10 Essential Oils Set is designed to offer a comprehensive range of therapeutic benefits and aromatic experiences. This set includes 10 essential oils: lavender, tea tree, eucalyptus, lemon, rosemary, orange, peppermint, cedarwood, lemongrass, and frankincense, each chosen for its unique properties and potential health benefits. Quality is paramount with PURA oils, which are USDA certified organic and 100% pure. They are extracted from organic botanical sources using steam distillation or cold pressing methods, ensuring they are free from pesticides and synthetic additives. The oils are housed in amber glass bottles to protect against UV light and maintain their potency over time. Usability is versatile, with the oils suitable for aromatherapy, massage therapy, skincare, and home cleaning solutions. Each oil is carefully selected for its therapeutic properties, whether you're looking to relax with lavender or boost energy with peppermint. The set includes a dropper cap for precise dispensing, making it easy to incorporate the oils into your daily routine. Durability is assured with the robust packaging, which prevents leaks and preserves the oil's freshness. Customers appreciate the PURA Organic Perfect 10 Essential Oils set for its quality, diversity, and effectiveness in promoting overall well-being. By incorporating these high-quality essential oils into your daily routine, you can enjoy their therapeutic benefits and improve your overall wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 7 best essential oils for men. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and wellness tips. See you in the next video.